So check this out. It's a typical night at my home studio. Just doing my thing, smashing some edits, you know, the usual.
The city of Calgary is under a snowfall warning from environment.
The weather is crazy outside right now. I kind of just wanted to lay back and stay in. But then, the mountains are calling. It would be a challenge to stay warm out there. So I make sure I have all my winter essentials, pack it up, and it's time to roll.
20 centimeters of snow. That's what Environment Canada is projecting in parts of southern Alberta, with snowfall warnings issued for this coming weekend.
Being alone in the mountains isn't comfortable, but that's what I love about it. A tiny figure in this massive landscape, that's when I feel the most alive. I always bring 2 to 3 pairs of JB Field socks, one for hiking in and one for the base camp.